Hello everyone, my name is Neha Raut and I am from Hingoli, Maharashtra. I completed my Bachelor's of Engineering in Computer Science from Sant Gadge Baba Amravati University in 2024. One of my friends suggested me to join a eVision 45 days program. I joined the eVision 45 days program. This program is very helpful to learn IT skills like software, hardware troubleshooting, network troubleshooting, Windows installation, Windows Server, ITIL. These programs is very helpful to crack my interview, and the entire evision team is very supportive, and the trainer is also very supportive. With the help of evision 45 days program, I got placed in Darvish Cybertech with the package of 3.5 LPA. So I am very thankful to all evision entire team for providing me placement support and guide me. Thank you.